Good morning, class. I'm your teacher today. Our topic for today is about measurement and calculation. Abbreviations and equivalents. Teaspoon, TSP. Tablespoon, TBSP. Gallon, GAL. Pint, PT. Quart, QT. For our cup, letter C. Dozen, DOZ. Pound, LB. Ounce, OZ. And for package, PKG. And for our minutes, MIN, R, HR, square, SQ, medium, MED, temperature, TEMP. That's our abbreviations and equivalents of measurements. So here are the dry ingredients and equivalent measuring fluid and equivalent. For example, a dash less than 1/8 tablespoon, 2 cups, and 1 pint. So those are the following examples. Next, measuring dry and liquid ingredients accurately. For our liquid measuring cup, a graduated cup with fraction with fraction 1/3/4, 2/3, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, and 1/8 marked on each side. So this is the liquid measuring cup. And for our dry measuring cup, a cup used to measure dry ingredients such as flour, sugar, cornstarch, and brown sugar. So those are the types of measuring tools used in the kitchen. Next, measuring spoons and measuring scale. Measuring spoons, this consists of a set of spoons with different measurements used in measuring small amount of ingredients. Weighing scale, this equivalent is used to measure large quantities of ingredients. Measure ingredients correctly. For example, rice and flour, sift the flour. Fill the cup to overflowing level with a spatula or with a straight edge knife. Measure ingredients correctly. Next is brown sugar. Pack into cup just enough to hold its shape when turned out of cup. Level up with a spatula. Before emptying. Leavening agents. Level a measuring spoon with straight edge of a knife to measure small amounts of salt, pepper, and leavening agents. Okay, next is liquid ingredients. Like water, oil, fresh milk, coconut will be measured with a liquid measuring cup. Place the cup on a flat level surface and view the liquid to eye level to make sure it is the proper amount.